Recording.
Hello, welcome to CAD 222 Mechanical Design. My name is Mr. Johnson. This is a bi-term class, so let's get started by going to Blackboard. So you're going to go into Blackboard, you're going to find your module that says CAD 22, you're going to click on it. The first thing you want to do, you're going to see a dashboard over here. And the first thing you want to do is go to Startup Open First. Once you get into the Startup Open First, you'll have Startup Class Instructions. So just click on that, hit Open or OK, and then Microsoft Word. You need Microsoft Word to be able to pull up this document. It's going to come up and then it's going to tell you the textbook, which we're going to look at here in a minute on the syllabus. It's going to tell you to watch the video, fill out your information sheet, and if you guys need to download AutoCAD, which I'm going to advise that you download AutoCAD Mechanical, alright, for whatever the latest version. Make sure you check 32 or 64-bit when you download, and you can see here that I've emphasized mechanical in this class. Okay, next you want to go to your information sheet. For those of you who've already filled out an information sheet for my class, this is not necessary. The next you want to go to the syllabus. Alright, we're going to look at the syllabus over here. And inside the syllabus, it's going to have the name of the class. I am your instructor. This is Student Services, in case you need to contact them for anything. This is my number. And we are in room 203, the OT building. And Monday through Friday by appointment. The lab is open Monday through Thursday but closed on Friday. You can always call me if you need to come in for any special circumstances on Friday. Just call me, let me know. That's my email number. Description of this class. Basically, we're going to explore the design process involved in mechanical working drawings, various machining and manufacturing disciplines, gear drawings, CAM drawings, and shop processes involved in mechanical design. This class is 4 credit hours, lectures 2, lab is 2, and we prefer a prerequisite of DFT 122, or this is a CAD 100. Our competencies are as listed. These 8 competencies that you're going to be learning before the end of the course. Now, as far as the book, it's going to be the Technical Drafting Book in Engineering Communications. Alright, it is going to be the 6th edition. The ISBN number is going to be a 978-142-83-35837. And this is predominantly the book you're going to use for all of my classes. Alright, so focus back on the syllabus. I prefer that you go ahead, if you're going to attend class or come into the lab, to get you a flash drive. Alright, so you can save all of your work on it when you come here. Blackboard. My assignments are worth 75% of the grade. Discussion board is worth 5%. The tests and the quizzes and the final is worth 20% of your grade. So this tells me that you could do 75%. You could do all of your assignments, not do discussion board and the tests and the quizzes, and you can still pass the class with a C. I'm not going to fail you. You're going to fail yourself by not turning in your assignments. This is the ADA Act. If you guys have any, or women have any disabilities, get with Noel Helm in room 111 in the RPC, or call him at 706-8455 to get you an accommodation form. Student Code of Conduct. This applies both online and in the classroom, so take your time to look at that. And always, I must say, always check your kctcs.edu email, for that is my preferred method of communication. Now back to the textbook. What we're going to do, we're going to start on chapter 15, which are going to cover CAMs, and we're going to work through all of 15. We're going to do a lot of CAM diagrams in 15. All you got to do is follow the step-by-step instructions. We're going to start with problem 15.1a and 15.1b. We're going to work our way over to gears, and you're going to learn how to mathematically figure out the gear data, and you're going to work through each one of these. On page 604 is very important. You've got all of your formulas for your required cutting data for all the teeth on your gears. You're going to need to learn this, and you're going to need to know this. So make sure you bookmark page 604. Then after that, we're going to work through all the problems on chapter 16. We're also going to do the review questions, and we'll go through Blackboard to help you understand that. And the last chapter is assembly and detailed drawings for design. What we're going to do, we're going to understand how to put parts together in a drawing, add the bill of material, and add the necessary tolerances, and the master parts list, as I said, the bill of material. And chapter 17 will be your last chapter, and then we'll work ourselves to the final. Let's go back to Blackboard for a second. So after you're done printing out the startup instructions and a syllabus, go directly to Content Supplement. Click on it. This is where you're going to be submitting all of your assignments. Excuse me. Is inside of Content Supplement. Okay. First of all, for you guys that's been in my class already, your drawing template should already be done. Just click on the drawing template link. Go to Assignments. And when the assignments open up is where you're going to attach your title block. Just click on it, attach it, and your student information sheet. Go ahead and attach it here also. Alright, after you get done with your first assignment, we can go on to chapter 15. Okay, inside of chapter 15, make sure that you read each chapter before proceeding to the assignments. It's imperative that you know at least a little bit of the CAM data before you even start. So, the instructions, just open this one for your instructions. It's going to give you the instructions on what to do. This one's empty, but we'll have instructions in there. Teaching aids. Inside of teaching aids, what I've added is some cool PowerPoints, some objectives. These are some image files. They graphically explain the principles and technologies behind the layout of CAMs. Make sure you open these things and take a look at them. And after you do your teaching aids and go through each item in your teaching aids, go ahead to assignments. When you get to assignments, in order to submit, all you have to do, first of all, you want to start with your review questions. Just click on it here and open up. It's due October the 15th. Go to Browse My Computer, go find it. Once you find it, hit Open, and then just hit Submit. Now after you're done with that, let's go to the discussion board. And inside your discussion board, I'm going to try to at least present you with a different forum each week. Take time. For instance, the forum this week is how many applications that use gears can you name? For instance, transmissions, other things, bicycles, other things that use gears. Go ahead and even respond to your classmate. Okay? And then lastly, inside of Content Supplement, after you work through 15, 16, and 17, you're going to have a final. That final is not available at this time, but closer to the end of the semester, we'll make that available. Okay. My name is Mr. Johnson again. Welcome to CAD 222. If you have any questions, like I said, my preferred method of communication is the email. Just look on the syllabus and send me an email. Thanks and good luck in the course.